Or shooting B-roll too.
Yeah, of course,
Here's my giant purse.
This record has been a side project. It's been in my mind and my heart for a long time. I have written songs that had a sort of a spiritual nature to them, but I never really put out a complete record that was just targeting that. And I kind of put it off, I think, partly because I didn't want to typecast myself into some sort of new age thing that I've worked really hard to avoid and sidestep the last 20 years. But these songs really mean a lot to me, and they're part of my process of trying not to throw the baby out with the bathwater in seeking a spiritual life that is free of ideology, free of gender. So all these things come up in the record, the sort of process of how do you address grief, fear, mortality, gratitude. How do you go through that gamut of feeling and serve something greater? How do you do that without ever really knowing what that something is? And actually my conclusion really was that it didn't matter. You don't have to pigeon yourself into a belief system or an ideology or something that's exclusive. Hi, I'm Eliza Gilkyson. I'm here at Texas Monthly's Soundcheck with Mike Hardwick on guitar, Brian Standifer on the cello. We're going to do a song of mine called Seculare. Thank you for the sun. Thank you for the full moon. Thank you for my true love's face and our lives in love consumed. Thank you for the stars, a home along the river. Thank you for the ancient groves and the fishes brown and silver. All things running wild, grass enough for grazing, water flowing clean and pure, all the beauty that saves me. Thank you for the dawn. Oceans rise and fall, children born to carry on, and the end that's always calling. Thank you for the songs. Thanks for all my good luck, all the things that don't go wrong, and the hopes that won't give up. Thank you for my tears, loved ones who forgave me. Thank you for my darkest years, all the sorrows that made me, and the beauty